Socializing 103. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over how the human heart was created in such a way that it must have something in it. It can never be empty. Meaning, it must attach to and love something. This is quite obvious if one reflects on this point for a moment. Some people love other people, some love animals, some their career, and others love other things. But no matter how much a person loves something, eventually a day will come where they will have to say goodbye. Whether this is done voluntarily, for example, a person retiring from their career, or forcefully, such as death cutting one off from their beloved. It is the reason why some of those who separated from what they loved while they were alive, such as an athlete retiring from their sport, became bitter as their heart and mind continued being attached to their beloved thing, but their body could no longer keep up with it. They become bitter as their moment in the spotlight passes, and they are forced to move on from their love. This is a universal principle which applies to all irrespective of one's belief or social status. But the only love which strengthens with time and in death is the sincere love for Allah, the Exalted. There is no goodbye for the one who possesses this love, only anticipation for the destined meeting which is beyond words to describe. This love only strengthens with the passing of time, while all other bonds weaken and eventually break. Therefore, a Muslim should fulfill their duty and responsibilities in respect to the creation, but only truly love Allah, the Exalted, through sincere obedience to Him, which involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience. The one who achieves this will never need to say goodbye. Chapter 89 Al-Fajr, verses 27 to 28.
To the righteous it will be said, O reassured soul, return to your Lord well pleased and pleasing to Him.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.